Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can separate audio from video in Filmora. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to add any video with the voice. So let me select this video. So here you can see that. So let me make it a bigger. These spikes means that this video contain audio. So how you can separate that? You simply need to click on the right mouse cursor, and here you can see the option of detach audio. Click on that, and here you can see that the video is now detached from the audio. So this is a process by which you can separate audio from video in Filmora. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.